This is a very short episode. Just 2 minutes of your undivided attention on this video can make you life-changing money. Watch till the end. This is the chart of 1 week S&P 500 and this is the chart of 1 day Bitcoin. Before trollers come commenting that I'm considering two different time frames to point out a fractal, I'll clear it out why. Stock market is open 6 hours a day, 5 days a week and is closed on holidays. Crypto markets are open 24/7 with no break. So in one day, a stock market is open for 6 hours. Crypto markets are open 24 hours. That's 4 times more than stock market. Consider 1 week. Stock markets are not open on weekends. Add in the holidays and in 1 year, stock markets are open for around 1389 hours including holidays. Whereas crypto markets are open for 8760 hours. Now we are in the stage where the crypto markets are not yet mature. So we can assume it is almost 7 to 8 times faster and more volatile than stock markets. This is why I'm considering 1 day time frame on Bitcoin and the 7 day time frame on the S&P 500. Compare these two charts and there you go. History may not repeat but often rhymes, and this market structure might not repeat on Bitcoin in the next couple of years. There is no guarantee it will repeat. However, if you want to make the most of it without risking much capital and still make life-changing money, try this. Open an account on FTX, buy bull token when the markets crash and just wait. Or just start buying bull tokens in a very small negligible parts. Now this is risky information and if you don't understand how it works, do not attempt to do it because you can lose everything if the markets crash. Bull token is a 3x leveraged token and if the markets go up by 30% in a day, bull token will go up by 90%. On the flip side, if the markets go down by 30%, bull token will go down by 90%. When the markets are trending up, bull token will quickly compound your money and give you insane returns like this. But if the markets crash, bull tokens can take all your money. So consider this to be a lottery ticket. If you bought one bull token after the COVID 2020 market crash for $400, you would have got almost 100,000 USD when Bitcoin reached the peak. At the same time, if you bought one bull token at the peak, you would have lost almost $100k dollars. Here's a tip. If you have $1,000 in your portfolio, never risk more than $20 on these tokens. Remember, greed kills. So risk management is very important and never risk more than you can afford to lose.